Hey guys, this is Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2021 Sailfish 276 DC. So this is a new model from Sailfish for this year. They had a couple features that were added, a new interior design, a great feature right here. They added a dive door onto the boat. I'll let Pete give a nice whole shot of the Provence blue color. And if he pans up to the hardtop, you'll see that the undercoat of that is also matching the hull side. Off the back here, we have twin Mercury Verado 200s in white. This boat comes standard with 150s, so these are the upgraded motors. As we hop across here, when Pete gives that shot into the interior, you'll see that the interior cushions are all new coloring. Here's that dive door that we were talking about earlier. Opens inward, nice in and out if you're on a fixed dock or a lift. In the back here, 6 rod holders across the back on the transom, 2 on port and starboard side as well. So you have 8 rod holders across the back. Telescoping ski tow bar. Nice wash down when you walk into the boat, that way you can keep sandy feet off. This seat comes up. There's a seat right behind Peter as well, and then if you don't get the dive door, you can add an additional seat on this side. On the port side there you have your live well. Moving forward, here's our Sailfish brochure. I'm going to put this in the back here. We do have a little sink with cup holders. This is a really nice new added feature from Sailfish. You used to have to pick this up manually and twist it. Now with the turn of that lever, this can lay all the way flat. It can also come up as a lounger as well. Moving forward to that port side seat, nice big head area, lots of room, nice countertop as well. Now here's where a big change is on the starboard side where the captain's seat is. Beautiful setup here at the dash, nice flush mounted Garmin screens. Here is your Mercury vessel view as well. Trim tabs, rocker switching. This boat has the power assist steering, windlass, and it's all digital throttle. Super smooth, easy to run. As we move forward, Pete will show you the bow. When we're in the boat, Sailfish has very deep gunnels. You know, I'm shorter, but it's past my hips when I'm inside this boat. Really nice setup here. If we unbuckle this seat, you actually get access behind the helm. Right now there's canvas in there, but if a technician needs to do any work or add something, really easy to do so. Cup holders all the way around. We have a windlass, so you can control the windlass from the helm, or you can control it up here in the bow, whichever is easier for you. As Pete gives a shot back, you'll really see how big that hardtop is. There's the remote spotlight up top where it gives you better visibility. Also 2 forward-facing spreader lights. So again, 2021 Sailfish 276 DC, located here in Brick. This boat is available. Come by today and check it out. Thank you guys.